In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your days to
Don't worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday!
Hi Tay, happy birthday. Wishing you I could be there to spend your birthday, but I hope it's still special and magical for you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tay! Natuntangan-tagan ka Ginoo, tas pang kinabuhi ug may lawas kanunay. Birthday, love you!
Happy birthday, Tatay! We love you so much. Wish you all the best. Ay nasig pangabot sa daghang tubig, ay nasig pangabot sa daghang kahoy. We love you.
Hi, Tay! Happy birthday! From me here in Texas. Unta, hatagan pagkagtaas nga kinabuhi. You take care of yourself. Okay? Ayaw gool-gool. Kung makakwarta ko, magpadala ko nimo, okay? Padalaan ta ka every month. Basta na ako yung sobra. Sige, Tay. Love you. Happy birthday.
Ay, happy birthday! Adlaw man nimo karon nga natawhan. Yaman mi sa layo, pasensya. Pero mugrid lang gyapon mi og happy birthday sa imo ha. Napunta nga tagan ka sa Ginoo, may panglawas kanunay. O buhon makabakasyon mi diha, ug naay kwarta. Magkita pa ta. Paningkamot tay. Paniguro.
Paniguro ginawa.
Happy birthday tay.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Lolo.
Happy birthday Lolo.
Ay, na ba?
Happy birthday Lolo.
Ako.
Happy birthday Lolo. Ilan na edad ni mo Lolo?
Ilan na may edad ni mo tay?
Nama, ipit-kapi na siguro, tatay.
Ha?
Sinta-kapi na na.
Isto na to gando.
Amorok tungtong lang niya. Labi mo katagan pa nagasunod pa nga. Tagkatong to, pero makaabot pa ka, makikita.
Amo walang ang pirmirong hungit diha.
Happy birthday! Enjoy your day, Tay!
Usa ka hiwang litson lang amo.
Happy birthday, Tay!
Happy birthday, Tay!
May unta nga naghan pa yung birthday nga maabot sa itong kinabuhi, Tay! Ha? Happy birthday, Tay! Oh.
Kita pa sa pohon.
Oh, muli na media, Tay! Malipay na ka, muli media. Katapok tanan ato mga buwan, mga igsuon na to. Tanan.
Happy birthday, Tay! Dasin po ang sunod birthday ni mo, maka-ulit mi diha. Ay, gimingaw na mi mo. Love you, Tay. Happy birthday, Tatay. Ito tanan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tay!
Love you.
Love you! Bye-bye!
Hi, Tay! Si Along ni Tay. Happy birthday, Tay! Mag-amping ka kanunay, Tay, ha? Kaya aron tagaan pa kag daghang birthday sa imong kinabuhi nga maabot, Tay. I love you, Tay. I miss you. Amping, I love you.
Happy birthday tay. I love you.
Kinaray, kinabando kasi.
Happy birthday, Tatay! We love you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
I love you, tatay.
I love you, tatay.
I love you, tatay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, tatay.
Happy birthday, tata.
Love you.
Love you.
Miss you.
Miss you.
See you soon.
See you soon. Tay, I love you, tay. Happy birthday,
Tay.
tay.
Birthday!
Hello,
Magkatagaan mo nagmay palawas. Huwag taas pa nga kinabuhi. Sorry na tayo po sa kasal na mong ani.
So panurin mo tay, kamong Auntie Bibi, kamutanan. Pangarin mo.
Happy birthday, love you.
Happy birthday tatay. Nga lang.
Happy birthday, tatay. I love
Love
you.
you.
Happy birthday, tay. I love
So
you.
mali pohon diha.
Sorry niyo
Mangingas
na
ta.
pohon.
Tingnan.
Pagpapasgog sa kailangan pagkagmay panlawas, perminti.
Ah.
Taas pa nga kinabuhi. Love you.
Love you tatay.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, tatay! We love you so much!
Pailay na mong giwish ni mo tay, kundi hatagan ka sa Ginoo og maayong panglawas og taas pa nga kinabuhi.
Hello, Tay! Tatay! Happy birthday! Si Inday Jessa ni! Inday Jessa me! Salamat! Salamat sa tanan-tanan, Tay! Happy birthday! Hinautong tatagaan pa kagtaas nga kinabuhi. Laban lang, Tay! Magkita tapuhon, iniguli na mo imong mga apo sa tuhod. Happy birthday!
Tay, si Myrna ni, okay? I just want to say happy birthday. Akong ampo sa Ginoo nga tagaan kag taas nga kinabuhi pa, okay? Love you. Okay, amping tay. Bye.
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful. You should change your name to Cruz. Make tears impossible. Wish that I could have you with me every time I fall. In a world that's so imperfect, I know you will try to fix it. You should change your name to I don't think you minded if I change your name to something new. Would you think it childish if I change my name to I love you?